Yo, what's up guys, how you all doing today? My name is Daniel and welcome to another video. Today I want to show you a website where you can track your dividend, this week's upcoming earnings releases dates of important companies. So let's start with earnings releases dates. By the way, this post I added it on Instagram. You can follow me there. I'm adding their daily content. Link is down in the description. Alright, so on Monday, before stock market opens, we will have a Hasbro earnings release. After the market close, we got Simon Property Group and Take-Two Interactive. I do not hold any of these companies, so on a Tuesday we've got here before market Coty and Centene. We own both of these stocks, so get ready for some fucking fire. After the markets close, we've got Twitter, Cisco and Alteryx. On Wednesday we got here before market opens General Motors and Coca-Cola. We own a stock of Coca-Cola, so again it's gonna be a very important day for us. And after market we've got here Zynga and Aurobot. I own Aurobot. By the way, Aurobot was one of those most sold shares on the market, so this stock can fucking explode. On a Thursday we've got here before market opens Pepsi and AstraZeneca. We own AstraZeneca. And after Disney and Aurora Cannabis. There was no earnings releases on Friday, so I didn't put a Friday here. By the way, Aurora Cannabis, guys. I mean, this fucking company is a fucking Black Peter. As we look on 1 year's graph of this company, look at this. In May of last year, 6th of May, this company was on $8.28. Then there was a earnings release date, and bro, this company jumped from 8 to 96 in one fucking day. And of course, on next morning it dropped again on fucking 7. But what I want to say with this company, its earnings reports are always catapulting this fucking company because there are so many people short in this company. And you know, now in the corona times, many people are smoking fucking weed, you know, chilling on Netflix and chill and some fucking weed. And I think that this company can fucking explode again. It might. I think probably it will not hit 100 again, but so what I'm thinking about is I'm gonna take money from one stock that I currently own and I wanted to sell it in summer, and that company is well built. I think I already talked about this company in the last videos, so maybe I will take the money from well built and I will invest it in Aurora Cannabis, but only for one day. I would go like on one trade. I'm not quite sure yet. Today's Saturday, but I will put this video out on Sunday, and tomorrow on Sunday I will make a quick summary of Aurora Cannabis and I will decide if I'm gonna put the money or if I'm not gonna put the money. The earnings date is on Thursday, but usually the company will go little higher or little lower during the week to upcoming day of earning releases, and then it might explode or it might get fucking fired. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna check it, guys, and I will let you know 100%. So as I said, you can follow me on Instagram. I will 100% put there on story or on a post if I'm buying it or if I'm not. Alright guys, so next thing I would like to talk about is this fucking website that I found. It's called trackyourdividends.com. I'm gonna put a link down in the description so you can check it out. By the way, it's fucking free. And right here you can check your dividends, your annual dividends, your annual income. But the one problem with this shit is it doesn't work with European or Chinese companies. It only works with American companies. So as you can see from all of my portfolio, I've put here just my American companies. And for my American companies, I'm making annual income of $112. But let's get to the beginning. So okay, you will get here on this site, you register here, and then you click on dashboard. And right here you have button new holding. You click here, and what you're gonna do here, you're gonna go to your portfolio, and let's try it with Coca-Cola. Right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna put KO as a ticker here, enter number of shares. Number of shares on each row you can see right here. Buying 6.28. This is the number of your own shares. So we put 6.28, and cost per share you can look right here, average opening on $49.82. $49.82. You add that shit, yep, and it's right here. As I said, it works only with American companies. I tried European, I've tried from London, Paris, Madrid, but it doesn't fucking work. So only American companies you can check here. You've got here your portfolio value, your dividend yield, yield on cost, annual income. Right here when you click on upcoming dividends and you click on summary, right here you can see upcoming dividends from your portfolio. When you scroll down here, as you can see, Apple upcoming dividend is on February 11th, which is next week. Alright, the status confirmed, unconfirmed. So basically it means that if it's confirmed, the company confirmed that they will pay the dividend. If it's unconfirmed, they still can change it. They might change the amount of dividend, or they might not even pay the dividend. So, but usually as the time goes, they confirm it, so don't worry. When you pick a companies who pays dividends for like 50 fucking years, there is no worry that they will not pay. The next thing that is here, when you click on diversification and you click on summary, you've got here sectors where you are most invested in. As you can see, my most invested sector from American companies is consumer staples. This is stock diversification. Right here you've got a future value you can actually check. As you can see, this one is for 10 years and it says like after 10 years my ending annual dividend will be $308, which is almost 200% up from today's date. 5-year dividend growth rate is 25%, which is crazy. And the value of portfolio of American companies that I currently own would be 7,555. Of course, guys, like this cannot come true. Like, you know, it can be fucking zero, or it can be fucking millions, but it's just, you know, you can check it up. Let's put there 25 years. Oh, nice. So after 25 fucking years, in year 2045, my portfolio would have value of $22,723 from fucking 5,000. And the annual dividend after goddamn 25 years would be almost $3,000 a year. This is the power of long-term investments. You know, there might be some companies, some trends, such as GME, such as Dogecoin, where you just jump on a train, you make some quick money, but you have to know when you should get out. If you hit a sweet spot, if you are not fucking greedy bastard, and you hit the fucking sweet spot, like you make some money, you jump out, okay guys. But always invest in long-term companies, because this is the fucking power of long-term investments. Right here when you click on portfolio alerts, you can tick these options and you can get updated by mail about your dividend updates. Okay, so that will be the one page about dividends, about American dividends. By the way, I was counting my European dividends, and this year, let me see, this year I should get $775 from European dividends, and when we add up American dividends, it will give us a value of $887 this year from a goddamn dividends, guys. For this amount of money, you can buy a fucking vacation in Italy, in Croatia, in Ibiza. I can fly to a fucking America for this money. But you know what are we going to do? We are going to reinvest everything, guys. If we will invest our money, we will get dividends, and when we reinvest dividends, we will become financially independent much faster. Then imagine if I just take all of the money and I just buy a fucking car for either fucking clothes or some stupid shit like that. It doesn't make fucking sense. Like, it will make you happy at the moment, but in the long run you'll be fucking sad and you will be fucking disgust from yourself that you've done it. Because you know, guys, you know that it might be a long run to become financially independent, but better do it slowly and surely than not at all. So, by the way, the dividend is so high this year because the companies didn't want to go bankrupt, and they set their dividends on such a high level. Like, I saw some of the companies in my portfolio when one of the company had dividend of fucking 50%, and the dividend is so high because they just don't want to get bankrupt. And when us investors, we see these high dividends and we invest in them, we give them a fucking money so they can survive, you know. But in next couple years, like, they might cut it down, they might reduce the dividend. So another thing that I wanted to talk about, and I forgot to tell it in the last video. Actually, one guy asked me a question when I was talking about copy trading, and he asked me, What about dividends in copy trading? Will you receive them or not? And the answer is very simple. Yes, bro, you will receive your dividends. And the amount of dividend will be such as high as the money that you invested in. So let's say, as you can see right here, we invested in Richard, and the Richard bought one company, one ETF for 10%, and our 10% from 1000 is only $104, so we will have the dividend from $104. But the answer is yes, guys, don't be worried, you will get your dividend. One more thing, one guy wrote me a message. He invested in Vaxart when I shared it on Instagram, because I shared a story on Instagram by the dip, because it was down by 60%, and as you can see I am also down by 24% more, but it doesn't fucking matter, guys. When you're in minus like goddamn 20 or even 50%, it doesn't fucking matter, guys. If the company has a potential, if it's not just some random shit, some fucking penny stock, and if you actually believe in that company, if you did a research about the company, don't be worried. I've told you in last video, I was in much deeper fucking shit. There was a times in my portfolio that I was in fucking minus. There wasn't these fucking green numbers. Right here when you can see current profit of 10,200 bucks. Half a year ago there was a fucking minus 4,000. And on most of my positions I was in fucking minus. For example on Kineworld, let me see that. This company when I'm in a plus of 16%, I was in minus of 70 fucking percent, and even as you can see, I have a big position in there, so man, but what did I do? Diamond hands, guys, fucking diamond hands. These people are right, you have to have the fucking diamond hands. If you are scared of it, if you are worried, don't even look on eToro, close the fucking app, go do something else, go run, go to the gym, go make a lunch, learn something new, and don't open it like once fucking week. You don't need to fucking watch it every day, constantly, you know, when it hurts your fucking feelings. So guys, don't be worried when there's a little drop, as in Vaxart. Actually, that's even better for us, because we as an investors, as in long-term investors and as a value investors, you know, I would be very happy if it fucking drops. As you can see right here in November, it was on 3.5. Jesus fucking Christ, if it drops to a 3 or if a fucking 4, I'm gonna buy more. So guys, don't be fucking scared, don't be worried. Invest in your future. Remember, you are investing for a long term, you are not one of those gamble fuckers. Stock market is not a fucking sprint, it's a fucking marathon. Patience, it's just about the fucking patience, and most of the people are not patient, most of the people don't want to wait, most of the people want it fucking here and now. I hope I did help you with today's video. It was a quick update. Use the website, it's fucking free. You can check your dividends right there. And you can let me know down in comments. What's your dividend? What's your investing plan? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and see ya on Wednesday. Peace.